welcome to our new TEDx. And today I will talk about the future of our art by Reverend Pulis Suzuki. Severin first spoke to the world when she was only 12 years old. She reminded us that the earth is our home and we must take care of it. In this talk, she says that our planet is in danger because of pollution, climate change, and wasting resources. If we don't act now, future generations will suffer. She asks us to live simplify us, use resources wisely, and think about the children of tomorrow. Her main message is the choices we make today will shape the future of our earth. Thank you.